Hello, I'm Colin Braithwaite. This is my son Philip. We're from Braith Heritage Supplies. We're working with sustainablebuild.co.uk to give you a short video on lime washing. Philip will now show you start applying the lime wash. This is some lime plaster that we applied earlier. And obviously we've soaked it down. As with all lime products, you've got to really soak the background, otherwise it'll just soak all the water out of the lime wash. But apply it as evenly as you can. And you can actually see, as he's laying it on, you can actually see the colour building up. It's getting deeper and deeper all the time. After about 20 minutes, that's it. You need to go back and brush it in. Work it up like Phil's doing now. That's why, as I say, don't try and do too much at once, because you do need to keep going back to it. What he's doing is working the lime wash into the lime plaster. So we'd leave this now for 3 to 4 days to allow it to cure. And then it's just a simple case of building up coats, more and more coats. On an internal wall, we'd put something like 3 coats, exactly what we've just done here. On an external wall, possibly you go 4 to 5 coats to get a sufficient layer on to give it the durability that you require for outside areas. One thing we will say, that if you're doing colour coats, on the last one you must mix enough lime paint in a big enough batch to do the entire elevation. Because what we find is that if you try and batch it twice, you don't get the same colour because you can't get the pigments right.